Good morning, you all, my dear children. I am going to discuss about the Lewis diagram or electron dot diagram of certain compounds. This topic belongs to this chapter, chemical bonding of chapter 4. In my previous lecture, I have already discussed about the various types of bonds. Now I am going to discuss electron dot structure of some compounds. First one is CH4. This is known as methane. This carbon is the central atom surrounded by 4 hydrogen atoms like this. Each hydrogen carries 1 electron. This carbon carries 4 electrons. Atomic number of carbon is 6, 2, 4. Atomic number of hydrogen is 1, 1. In this way, hydrogen shares its electron. You know that hydrogen completes only duplet and rest other elements complete octet. In this way, CH4 is formed by sharing 1 electron with each carbon. This is the electron structure of methane. Second one is ethane C2h4. Here 2 carbon atoms are bonded with 6 hydrogen atoms like this. Each hydrogen contains 1 electron. Carbon carries 4 electrons like this. Hydrogen completes duplet, you know that, in this way, and carbon completes its octet like this, and this carbon also completes octet like this. Means in this way the structure is formed like this. This one is C2h6, ethane. Third one is ethene C2h4. 2 carbon atoms are bonded with 4 hydrogen atoms like this. Each hydrogen contains 1 electron. Carbon contains 4 electrons, you know that. In this way, hydrogen completes its duplet like this, and carbon completes octet like this one. In this way, C double bond C is formed here, and each carbon is bonded with 2 hydrogen atoms like this. This one is C2h4. In this way, you can draw a number of compounds, electron dot structure, or you can say Lewis structure for any of the compound. I am going to discuss about some more compounds. Fourth one, CHCl3. This one is chloroform. This carbon is the central atom surrounded by 1 hydrogen atom and 3 chlorine atoms. Hydrogen contains 1 electron and chlorine contains 7 electrons in valence shell like this. This chlorine also contains 7 electrons, and you know that carbon contains only 4 valence electrons. In this way, chlorine completes its octet and hydrogen completes duplet. In this way, carbon completes its octet by sharing 1 electron. In this way, the bond line structure of this CHCl3 is like this. You will try yourself to draw CCl4, CH2Cl2, CH3Cl, CH3OH, and so on. I am going to discuss about CH3OH. Then the bond is formed like this. Each hydrogen contains 1 electron, and this carbon contains 4 electrons like this, and this oxygen contains 6 electrons in this way. This hydrogen shares its electron with oxygen, and these hydrogens shared by carbon atoms. And this carbon shares like this, and this way 8 electrons are completed. This is the structure of methanol. CH3OH is methanol. In this way you can draw a structure of methanol. Now I am going to discuss about some more compounds where octet is not followed. Octet is not followed means exceptional cases. Exceptional cases where octet is not followed. Octet is not followed. These elements do not complete octet, like BeCl2, beryllium chloride. Atomic number of beryllium is 4, 2, 2. Beryllium contains 2 electrons surrounded by 2 chlorine atoms, and these chlorine atoms contain 7 electrons. You know that. Atomic number of chlorine is 17, 287. In this way, chlorine shares its electron, and beryllium completes only 4 electrons. Okay? No 8 electrons are completed by beryllium. In this way, this is the figure of BeCl2. BeCl3, also boron trichloride, is exceptional case. Here, boron is surrounded by 3 chlorine atoms. Each chlorine contains 7 electrons like this. And this way, boron contains 3 electrons and shares its electron and completed 6 electrons in valence shell. No 8 electrons are completed by boron. In this way, BeCl3 is formed. Okay? Like this. In my next lecture, I will discuss about some more compounds. Okay? Thank you.